Good morning, students. In GK, today we will study about Indian missiles. Okay, so you also concentrate on the topic Indian missiles and listen carefully. Okay, student, do you know about DRDO? You know? Okay, what is the full form of DRDO? Defense Research and Development Organization is the full form of DRDO. Do you know that DRDO has developed many Indian missiles successfully? Let us learn about those. The Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO has developed and successfully test fired the following 6 missiles for the defense forces. You have to know about it. Okay, students, so let's start. Prithvi. First missile's name is Prithvi. India's first indigenously built surface-to-surface short-range ballistic missile has a range capability of 150 km to 350 km. It was first test fired in 1988 from where Sriharikota. Prithvi's first test fired in 1980 from where Sriharikota. It was inducted into the Indian Army in 1993. So understood about it. Prithvi is the first indigenously built surface-to-surface short-range ballistic missile. Has a range capacity of 150 km to 350 km. Okay, students. So India's first missile's name is Prithvi. It was first test fired in 1988 from Sriharikota. It was inducted into the Indian Army in 1993. Next given here, Trishul. It is a short-range surface-to-air missile developed by India as a part of the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program and has a range of 9 km. It was inducted into service in 1999. So Trishul is a short-range surface-to-air missile. You have to know about it. Trishul is a surface-to-air missile. Okay, student. And Prithvi is a surface-to-surface short-range ballistic missile. Okay. Now, next given here, Akash. Akash, it is a medium-range multi-target mobile surface-to-air. Prithvi missile is a surface-to-surface. Trishul is a short range of surface-to-air. And Akash is a surface-to-air missile. It is also surface-to-air missile with a range capacity of 30 km. It was successfully launched in 1990. Next given here, Nag. It is a third generation fire and forget anti-tank guided missile with a range capability of 4 to 6 km. It was first test fired in 1988. It is very important, student. You have to know about when it was first test, when it was first test fired, when it was first test fired, 1988. Now, okay. Now next given here, Agni. It is an intermediate range ballistic surface-to-surface long-range missile capability up to 2500 km. It was first test fired in 1989. 1988 Nag. It was first test fired in 1988 and Agni was first test fired in 1989. Agni missile is divided into the three types: medium range, ballistic missile Agni 1, intermediate range ballistic missile Agni 2, 3 and 4, intercontinental ballistic missile Agni 5 and Agni 6. Agni 5 and 6. Okay students, so Agni missile is divided into 3 types. You have to know about it. Now next given here BrahMos. The BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile which has been jointly developed by Russia and India's DRDO. BrahMos. The operational range of BrahMos missile is 300 to 500 km. Its name comes from the Brahmaputra and Moskva rivers. Okay students, BrahMos missile's name comes from the Brahmaputra and Moskva rivers. Next given here, let's practice it. Match the following. Prithvi. So given here 6 options, you have to read all and match it. First, read this option, surface to surface long range. Just you read about that. Surface to surface long range, it is Agni. Okay student, Agni, surface to surface long range Agni. You have to match it. Surface to surface Agni. Okay. Next, medium range surface to air. Medium range surface to air. Then medium range surface to air, it means it is surface to air, that is Akash. Okay student. And next, surface to surface short range. Surface to surface short range, it is Prithvi. Okay. Next, short range surface to air. Short range surface to air, it is Trishul. And next, supersonic cruise missile, it is BrahMos. It is BrahMos. And at last, anti-tank guided missile. Anti-tank guided missile, it is Nag. Okay student, so read about it, about Indian missiles, and create yourself some question answer from this chapter. Okay students.